Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This has a white exterior and a two-tone red and black interior. Sunroof. And on the back, we've got our 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and CLA 250 badging, and our trunk. Rear seats. Blind spot assist. Memory seats. Driver seat controls there, heated and ventilated seats. Driver door controls. Driver seat. And our steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 15,904. And we do have a push-button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio and backup camera. Climate control, center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmanimports.com.